In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Doordash driver account in Canada. Now this should be a quick and easy process video. All you have to do is to go ahead to dasher.doordash.com and then this page will pop up for you. Just type in your postal code, the Canadian one. After that, just click on next after you enter it. Let's say for example this is your address, then click on next. After that, sign up with your email, then click on next, then your phone number as you can see here. And when you are done, just click on sign up and then you will receive a text in your emails. Just go ahead and check it. After you do that, these are the next steps. You will complete your Dasher profile, select your vehicle type, submit your mailing address to receive the Dasher welcome kit. After that, just track your welcome kit. Then complete the background check as you can see here. Then after that, activate your red card. And the final step is to set up your direct deposit. Now this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.